Experience the ultimate entertainment with Cox Communications Mini Box, delivering on-demand content and HD streaming to your TV. With interactive features like recording and pausing, it's the must-have piece of equipment. But even the best devices encounter issues. Discover the common problems faced by Cox cable subscribers and how to fix them for uninterrupted viewing pleasure. 1. Common mini-box issues. Cox cable subscribers often face freezing, pixelation, and sluggishness with their cable box, leading to frustrating viewing experiences. Missing channels can also occur due to weak or damaged connections. Failed activation may result from incorrect cable setup or loose connections. 2. Checking cables and connectors. To address cable box problems, users should inspect cables and connectors for damage or looseness. Finger tightening loose connectors and ensuring proper cable fit can resolve issues like fuzzy screens and no signals. 3. Optimizing wiring. If persistent problems persist, assessing the house's wiring may be necessary. Engaging a technician can help determine if rewiring is needed to improve cable box activation. Free up memory space. Full memory in the cable box's hard disk can prevent it from turning on. Users can free up space by transferring and deleting recorded content. TV input selection. Selecting the correct input is crucial for coax or HDMI cable connections to the cable box. Interpreting lights. The lights on the Cox Mini Box can indicate signal availability or hardware issues, guiding users on what needs attention. Reboot the device. Rebooting the cable box by unplugging it for a few minutes can resolve configuration issues and enable it to turn on properly. Contacting Cox. Support. If all other solutions fail, users should seek assistance from Cox support to address potential defects, outages, or technical issues. Support staff can provide further guidance or arrange on-site visits if needed. If you loved the video, comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to watch more technology-related video.